policymakers need to understand a few important things. First, that AI does not rain from the clouds. it must be produced, and it's produced on large-scale computers that have never been faster, have never been more affordable, never been more available, but they're still very specialized machines. They're a very specialized stack of technology. So they need to plan for this. This needs to be part of the overall strategy. And today, 100% of national AI strategies fail to fully account for the need to invest in computing. So that's an important first step, is just to understand that the national AI compute infrastructure is a critical component. It is the critical infrastructure that underpins a national AI strategy. So linking those two, and that's an important area of work that we're working here at the OECD on. The second is to understand that compute isn't one thing, and that compute stretches from public cloud to private data centers, even out to laptops, and that there's many forms of computing and many versions, and it's a field that's not just rapidly evolving, it's evolving super exponentially. And so it does require some agility and public-private sector collaboration to make sure that these strategies are flexible and that they grow with the technology. And then finally, that no matter what approach you have, you want to make sure that approach is both resilient and sustainable. Because this technology does have an impact on the environment, but the technology is also important to potentially the growth and stability of a nation as far as their economics. So really thinking through the different dimensions of compute and how it affects the economy is, again, probably not an analysis that's been conducted before. So if they take this approach, have a strategy, think about the technology, how it's being used effectively, and its sustainability, that will be a leap in progress compared to before.
We're looking at how to measure capacity for AI compute. And importantly, not every compute strategy of each country will look the same. Compute strategies need to be tailored to the local context and national needs of each country. And so we're helping through this expert group on AI compute and climate to ensure that countries have the tools that they need to be able to build and implement successfully their own AI compute strategies, and ultimately harness AI for the good of people and also for the planet.